Hello, people in Cambodia. Hello to the world. My name is Suthi. I'm a teacher in Vilpong High School. Today, I would like to share a message to the world, to the international community, and especially to the Mr. President Donald Trump and Mr. President Xi Jinping, who are the great leader in the world. We urgently call for intervention to restore peace and condemn military aggression by Thailand, which is resulting in civilian casualty and the deliberate destruction of the critical civilian infrastructure, including homes, schools, pagodas, hospitals, bridges, and agricultural land. We demand an immediate cessation of hostility and protection for the Cambodian people. So, in Cambodia, need peace, and all over the world need peace. Please help us to stop the war between Cambodia and Thailand. The students need to study. The people need to work for living. So I again ask for Mr. President, please help to stop the conflict or the war at the border between Thailand and Cambodia. Thank you.